Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk, where we dive into the world of software development tools and practices. I'm your host, and today we're exploring an innovative documentation platform called inkonchain. It's an advanced, streamlined app built with Next.js and Nextra that aims to simplify the documentation process for developers. So let's dive right in. Imagine you're on a quest to create the ultimate documentation platform, kind of like a superhero of coding resources. inkonchain does just that by leveraging the power of Next.js and Nextra to create efficient documentation sites. I mean, who wouldn't want to harness technology to make their lives easier, right? Now, what makes this tool stand out? Well, it's all about having the right ingredients. First up, it requires Node.js version 20.11.0 or higher. That's your foundational block. Once you have that, you're ready to clone the repository and start building. Speaking of building, let's talk about the development setup. It's equipped with a toolbox that includes real-time spell checking through C-spell and markdown processing via Remark. And if that's not enough, it also uses ESLint for code quality, Prettier for consistent formatting, and Tailwind CSS for those snazzy responsive designs. It's like having a whole team of experts working to keep things in check. Now, let's take a moment to consider the importance of CI/CD, continuous integration, and continuous deployment. inkonchain utilizes GitHub Actions for its CI/CD pipeline, running automated checks on every pull request. Just imagine the peace of mind knowing that there's a system in place to check your JavaScript formatting, markdown rendering, spelling, and more. This makes collaboration smoother and helps catch potential issues early. And you won't believe how this setup makes the review process shine. Every new pull request creates a temporary environment through AWS Amplify, enabling team members to test changes in real time. It's almost like a sneak preview of the future of your documentation. How cool is that? Now let's wrap this up with a fun thought. What if every team adopted a similar workflow? Imagine the efficiency, the clarity, and the reduction in errors. Documentation could become a collaborative masterpiece rather than a chore, transforming it into an engaging experience for developers and users alike. So, as we conclude today, I encourage you to think about how you document your own projects. Could adopting tools like inkonchain or similar platforms change your workflow for the better? This could be the start of something big. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you'll join us next time as we continue to explore the latest trends and tools in technology. Until then, keep innovating and happy coding.